Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get DM me stickers on Instagram. So without further ado, let's begin. First, we need to create your story. You can choose any picture that you want. And then right here at the top, you can see this sticker icon. Just click on that. Now on the search bar, just type DM me. From this option, just scroll down until you see this stickers DM me. You can choose from any of these options. There's a lot of designs of stickers that you can choose from. And then just tap on done. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.